Hello students, welcome to today's math class. Today we will discuss about the term identities, which is the last topic of chapter polynomial. Now, it may be new word for you, the word identity. Before we discuss it, we read, we study, we discuss the topic algebraic expression or equation. Algebraic expression or equation. Both the terms you have studied in 8th class. Now, what is algebraic expression? 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5. That is algebraic expression. 3x plus 5. That is algebraic expression. But now that is equation. If it is equal to 0, if it is equal to 0 or any other number, it becomes equation. It becomes relation. If it does not equal to anything, it becomes algebraic expression. 3x plus 5 is algebraic expression, but 3x plus 5 equal to 0 is equation. Now, the word identity. In earlier classes, like 7th or 8th, you have studied x plus y whole square equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. X minus y whole square equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. X square minus y square equal to x plus y and x minus y. All of you are very familiar about these three formulas, or you can say identities. In early classes, you used to say these are the formulas. This is the whole square and this is the square difference. But now, question is this: what is the difference between equation and identity? What is the difference? Now, the equation is true. Equation is true for some values. Equation is true for some values of variable. But identity is true for all the values of variable. Now, what is variable? Here x is variable. Here there is two variable x and y. Two variable x and y. Now, what is means of true? See. Let x equal to 0. 3 into 0 plus 5 does not equal to 0. LHS does not equal to RHS. X equal to 1. X equal to 1. That will be 3 into 1 plus 5 does not equal to RHS. You are putting the x equal to 0. LHS does not equal to RHS. You are putting x equal to 1. LHS does not equal to RHS. For which value it will be true? Now, 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Then 3x equal to minus 5, x equal to minus 5 upon 3. This equation is true only for the value of x equal to minus 5 upon 3. This equation is true. If you put the value of x equal to minus 5 upon 3 here, then LHS will be equal to RHS. Now see, 3 into minus 5 upon 3 plus 5, then 3 to 3 cancel, minus 5 plus 5, it becomes 0. Hence LHS equal to RHS. Hence LHS equal to RHS. Now this is equation. Now come on the identity. Equation x की हर वैल्यू के लिए, इक्वेशन x की हर वैल्यू के लिए ट्रू होती है. सॉरी, इक्वेशन x की कुछ लिमिटेड वैल्यू के लिए ट्रू होती है. दैट इज बाय मिस्टेक. इक्वेशन x की सिर्फ कुछ वैल्यू के लिए ट्रू होती है. यानी कि देखिए आप, सिर्फ x इक्वल टू माइनस 5/3 के लिए, x इक्वल टू माइनस 5/3 के लिए LHS इक्वल टू RHS आ रहा है, और किसी वैल्यू के लिए RHS इक्वल टू LHS इक्वल RHS नहीं आएगा. नाउ common identities. We take first identity. Let x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Then LHS क्या है हमारे यहाँ पर? What is LHS? LHS is x plus y whole square equal to 2 plus 3 equal to 5 square equal to 25. Understood? X plus y whole square equal to 2 plus 3. Value of x is 2. Value of y is 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 square, 25. Now, what is RHS? Now, see RHS. X square plus y square plus 2xy. Value of x 2 square 3 square plus 2 into 3 4 plus 9 plus 12 plus 9 plus 4, that will be 25. Hence LHS equal to RHS. Understood? Means for the value of x equal to 2, value of y equal to 3, it is true for these values. You can take any other value. Let's take, let x equal to 5, y equal to 7. Then LHS x plus y whole square five plus 7 whole square 12 square equal to 144. Now RHS. What is RHS? RHS is x square plus y square plus 2xy. It means 5 square plus 7 square plus 2 into 5 into 7. It will be 25 plus 49 plus 70. Sorry, plus 70. It will be 144. Now LHS equal to 144, RHS equal to 144. Means this is true for also these values. It means identity is true for all the values of variable, but equation is true for only some values of variable. Understood? What is difference between identities and equation? Equation is true only for some values of variable, and identity is true for all the values of variable. For all the values of variable, LHS will be equal to RHS. But for all the values of variable, LHS will not be equal to RHS in equation. Understood? Now, these are the identities of 9th class which will be used in this chapter. X plus y whole square, x square plus y square plus 2xy. X minus y whole square, x square plus y square minus 2xy. X square minus y square, x plus y, x minus y. X cube plus y cube, x plus y, x square plus y square minus xy. X cube minus y cube, x minus y, x square plus y square plus xy. X plus y whole cube equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y. X minus y whole cube, x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. Now, this is the whole square of three terms. A plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2bc plus 2ca. These are the identities of 9th class which you will have to learn. All these identities. All the ideas are very important for this chapter. Now, one more special identity is here. One more special identity. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC equal to A plus B plus C, A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. This is the special identity. Now, one more condition in this identity is if A plus B plus C equal to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC equal to 0 into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Okay. Now it will be 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC equal to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC. This is the special identity which will be used in this exercise. First you learn these identities, then I will teach you how to apply these identities in the questions. Okay, that's for today.